Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I have made a video, but nonetheless, I'm here. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this cute updo on your natural hair, and it does not take long to do. A lot of persons see me in the style and think that it's complicated, but it's only a matter of minutes. Like, it's so simple. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this style, then just watch this video. Begin. I parted my hair in this circular shape. And as you can see, it's very dry. Very dry. Handled. So first thing, I'm going to take my spray bottle with my water. And I'm going to stick through here. And I keep looking in the viewfinder because I need to see what I'm doing. So please excuse me while I look in the viewfinder. So I'm just spritzing my hair with water. And it's working in. Then after that, we're going to use the coconut oil. Any coconut oil is workable. I've been using this coconut oil since I first went natural. It hasn't done me any wrong, so continue to use it. I'm just working the coconut oil into my hair. So now I'm gonna use this little comb here just to brush the hair in place. You can use a brush. I just gonna brush the hair in place. In one, using this clip. Yep. And then I just like to twist these in like a loose twist. And just loosely twisting the hair. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take these two hairs and we're going to tap them together. I'm going to do it twice, and then we're going to yeah, this is it. So this is the hairstyle. Thanks for watching. watching this video. I hope you liked it. I'm just kidding. So for this part, we're gonna just moisturize it as we did to the back because it is dry. Okay, so I can't see. Oh, before we do that, guys, before we do that, we need some gel. We need some gel for you know, the edges and to make the hair a lot more neater. So I've lost my gel, so I'm going gel hunting. Just give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, so I found my gel and I'm using the Eco Style Gel. This is the crystal one, and I'm just using this old toothbrush to lay my edges. Okay, and as you can see, it's a lot more neater. Now I'm going to go on to this big section. So for the front, I'm spritzing this with water just to soften it up. Here it comes. It's going to take the oil as I did in the bag, just to seal in the moisture. And do the same thing. Okay, so now that we're done, what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these twigs, get your bobby pin or hairpin, and you're going to take it and cross it over, and you're going within the part that you created. And you're just going to pin it in place. You get a little cluster, then pin it in place, and just add another one to secure it. And then the other one, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to kind of stretch it out a bit, and you're going to take it and wrap it around. Take this and just pin it in place. And we're going to use another hairpin to secure it in the back. And our hairstyle is complete. So and that's it, guys. So thanks for watching this video. I'm so sorry for being absent, but I'll be making more videos for you guys, I promise. And thanks for all you guys who have been commenting on my videos. You know, I really appreciate it, and I just hope that you'll continue to watch my videos. Yeah, once again, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you do have a wonderful rest of the day, night, morning, whatever time you're watching this video. Bye bye.